What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a pair of needle nose pliers. That's the brand name. And then these are 8-inch. We call them needle nose pliers from people from the back of the days, but they call it long nose pliers, needle nose, long nose, whatever you want to call it. That's what these are. So we are going to go ahead and get into it. They do sell these as a pack of 3. But we are going to go over them one by one because they do sell them individually, and we are going to go ahead and get into it. And I did review pliers a few months back, and the way I review pliers, I actually try to show y'all some usefulness of them. Instead of just showing y'all the pliers and say, okay, review done, I try to show you the pliers in action. So here you go. Have a little bit of oil on them, so they lubricated it very well. And the cool thing about needle nose is you can use them as pliers and you can use them as cutters. So the people that's getting into electrical work, or you're in a trade school or something, these are very nice to have. Now I know sometimes these things, when they get old, they might slip on you, but that's when it gets old. But these are very tight as far as the grip goes. So I did have some old ones with grips like these, and they slipped down and it was hard to grab on the stuff, but yeah. And these are 8 inches needle nose, and right here we have a 30 amp wire. I do have some 14.2s, 14.3 wires, but these are thick enough to go through this test that we're doing. All right, you guys, so we're going to make a cut. Definitely be careful when you make your cut. Slide this down, and then we have our 3 wires. And then you cut it. Now I try to cut them all at once. Very hard to do with these pliers, all right? So make another cut, nice and easy. And these are thick wires, okay? Make another cut, nice and easy. And then that's it. You need to twist the wires or anything, then put them together, do your little twist. And they have a pretty good grip on it too, you guys. My hand is not slipping, but I'm also not sweating like crazy. All right, so makes a good cut. Good cut. All right, so remember, this is thick wire, so when I had them together, it's like really, really thick. So it's hard to do a cut like that, okay? But individually, it cuts very well. These are not super duty pliers, okay? These are regular basic. Make your cut. Wow. So very nice, all right? And then the cool thing is it has the name brand on it, so that's pretty cool. And that's about it, you guys, all right? Nice pliers, entry-level pliers. Or if you're a professional, you might just want some pliers on the go, So that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you. I will be reviewing the other 2 pliers right now. That way I can get them out the way so y'all can see what they are like and how good they work with thick wire. All right, so you can make your judgment on that. And that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.